Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ani, and today we're going to be doing a DIY electronic bike headlight video. This is a clippable headlight which you can put on your bike or any other object, and it helps at night when you're driving your bike alone and there's no street lamps to help guide you on your way. So this is a very useful project, and I hope it helps a lot of you. So thanks for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's begin building our DIY bike headlight. You'll need 3 simple components. First, a AA battery pack with space for 2 AA batteries and a switch. Also, 2 high power LEDs. These LEDs work on 3 volts. And finally, you'll need 1 kitchen binder clip that has a metal part in the center, or a normal binder clip as well, doesn't matter, just preferably having a metal center. And that's it. These are the only 3 components you'll need. To start, all you'll need to do is hot glue your battery pack onto your binder clip, and then begin to solder on your components. After you've hot glued your binder clip onto your battery pack, you want to strip both ends of the wires of the battery pack so that it's easier while soldering. Also, you want to start getting your solder ready and heat up your soldering iron. First thing you want to solder on is strip your positive wire and solder it to the metal part of your binder clip. If you don't have a metal part on your binder clip, wait for instruction after this part. So after this step, you want to start soldering on your LEDs. If you don't have a metal part on your binder clip, you want to solder the positive side of the battery pack to the positive side of the LED. You can tell because there's a small negative and positive side on either side of the LED. But if you do have this metal part, you want to solder the positive end of your LED onto the metal part of your binder clip. This will allow you to connect the positive to the positive of the battery pack without needing to connect the wires directly. Here I put a small drop of hot glue onto the back of the LED and glued it onto the rubber part of the binder clip so that I can solder on the positive and negative ends later on. After you're finished with the first one, glue on the second one, and we're ready for soldering. You can just plop it on like this. Now we want to secure the LEDs on with some solder. Just take a little bit of solder and secure each of the positive ends of the LED onto the metal part of your binder clip. This will make a strong metal-to-metal connection and allow you to have a strong electrical transition between the metal of the binder clip to the metal of the LED. Strip a healthy amount of wire off of your negative side of the battery pack and slide the wire straight under both of the negative ends of your LED. Then bend your wire around and solder on to secure. Now that we're finished with soldering on all of our components, we can go and test out our LED. After you've inserted both of the AA batteries, as I have, you can turn it on and see that the light flashes. If not, try to do some troubleshooting and figure out where the connection isn't right. Here you can see the light is very bright and it's ready to go onto my bike. In case you wanted to change the batteries in the battery pack, all you have to do is slide the top part of the battery pack off and you can easily access the batteries. If not, you want to maybe move the wires around so that you can easily access it and the product doesn't get damaged. Here's my bike that you saw in the intro. Now we're going to be clipping on our device here onto this bike. I already have a light on my bike, but it's taped on there with electrical tape and it's very messy. Also, I can't take it out to replace the battery very easily, so I'll have to cut all of the tape off. This isn't a very efficient way of fixing a light onto your bike. So instead, with this clip-on version, it's portable and you can just clip it onto one of your brake wires, just like this. By clipping it on, you can take it off whenever you need, change the batteries whenever you'd like, and if you don't want it to be on your bike, you can take it off at your own convenience. So this is much more efficient than my old one, and it's much easier to reach the switch, and a very easy way to protect your bike from the darkness and help you see around when there's no streetlights. This clip-on light isn't exclusively just for bikes. You can also use it to clip onto your pocket, on your shorts or your jeans, and you can walk around with it at night if you're going for a walk outside, and it's helpful and you can easily see around you when it's dark. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I hope that you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye.